You might think dash cams are super expensive. You want to get one to protect your car but feel stuck because of a tight budget. Well, there are actually some solid options that won't break the bank. From compact single cams to easy dual-channel setups, there are dash cams even under the $150 price range that actually deliver clear video, smart features, and reliable protection. Today, we'll check out 7 of the best budget-friendly dash cams you can grab. We'll put the updated price and purchase links down in the description. Subscribe if you haven't already, so let's begin. Starting with the Torvo TD3, this is one of those budget-friendly finds that feels like it should cost more than it does. It sits at around 99 bucks and proves that you don't need to spend triple digits to get 4K recording, dual-channel coverage, and professional-grade features. The front camera records in true 4K, while the rear camera gives you high-definition 1080p coverage. Together, they cover both ends of your car with a wide 170-degree view up front, so blind spots don't sneak past. What's really impressive, though, is how it handles nighttime recording. Right out of the box, you also get a 64 gigabytes of memory card. And instead of a regular lithium battery, the TD3 uses a supercapacitor, which means it can handle extreme heat and cold. And for parked protection, the 24/7 surveillance mode kicks in when it senses motion. On top of that, built-in GPS tracks your speed and location. Well, if you grab the Torvo hardwire kit for around $15, you unlock the full parking mode potential, all while keeping the total cost at just about $120. Easily one of the best deals in this price range. Now, some of the other dash cams on our list have a ton of extra features, but they usually come with a pretty premium price tag. And here, the Torvo TD3 gives you professional-level peace of mind without the professional-level price tag. Next up, we've got the Viofo A119 V3, which has been holding its ground for years, and for good reason. Here's what you're getting. A Quad HD Plus resolution, which means 2560 by 1600 pixels, recording at 30 frames per second. With a wide 140-degree viewing angle, you're covering plenty of the road without distortion. What really makes this cam shine is the 5-megapixel Sony Starvis image sensor. That's what gives you those crisp, vibrant colors and sharp details, whether it's broad daylight or late at night. And if you prefer smoother footage, it also records in 2.5K at 60 frames per second. Turn on HDR, high dynamic range, at 30 frames per second, and it balances tricky lighting beautifully. For parked protection, the buffered parking mode is smart. It captures 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after motion is detected. Plus, you get extras like a circular polarizing filter to cut glare. The only thing to keep in mind, unlike some budget-friendly cams, it doesn't come with a memory card, so you'll need to grab that separately. Now, if you want a dash cam that feels high-end but won't leave your wallet empty, then check out the Vantrue S1 Pro. It balances advanced tech with fair pricing. For starters, you're getting 2.7K resolution up front, paired with 1080p in the rear, powered by Sony Starvis 2 sensors. That means your footage looks sharp, even in low light. On top of that, it's cloud compatible through an LTE module, so you can stay connected anywhere. You'll also get real-time alerts, real-time monitoring, and even real-time talking, which is perfect if you want to check in on your car or communicate directly through the system. Plus, the 24-hour buffered parking mode is another standout, making sure your vehicle is protected even when you're away. And if storage is a concern, don't worry. The S1 Pro supports up to a massive 1TB micro SD card. Now, the Sonnet 1 Pro front-only setup comes in at around $140, which is a discounted price actually. And the regular price usually sits around $180. Also, if you decide to go for a front plus rear camera for full coverage, the cost naturally goes up a bit, but it's well worth it for that extra protection. All in all, the combination of premium sensors, packed features, and build makes the S1 Pro a great value. Now, if you prefer something tiny under $150, you can check out the Nextbase Piqo 2K. It's small and well-built. It records in sharp 1440p with a 145-degree wide view, so you're catching plenty of detail without a bulky gadget blocking your windshield. Now, talking about the app. Once you connect it to your phone, the Piqo unlocks a bunch of smart features you'd normally expect in higher-end models. One of the coolest is witness mode. Just say, "Hey Nexi, witness mode," and it'll alert your emergency contacts with the footage and your location. There's also guardian mode, which keeps an eye on speed and location. Plus, you don't even need to buy extra storage right away since it already comes with a 256GB micro SD card. Now, setting up through the app is easy too. Parking mode is included as well. It detects impacts when your car's parked and sends alerts, but you'll need the hardwire kit for that. On top of that, you get a dual USB-C adapter, free 30-day cloud backup, and really clear daytime video for reading license plates. Yes, there's a cheaper 1K version at $130, but honestly, spending just $20 more for the 2K is the smarter move for better quality and future-proofing. Another budget dash cam that gives you both front and rear coverage, the 70mm A510 is worth a serious look. It manages to pack in solid performance with Sony's Starvis 2 sensors on both cameras. This little cam records in crisp 2.7K HD and brings a refreshed 1944p visual quality that feels sharp and clear. One standout feature is 70mm Night Owl Vision, their own tech that really shines after dark. It balances exposure, reduces glare from headlights, and cuts down noise so your night footage actually looks usable instead of grainy. Add in HDR dual-channel recording, and you're getting smoother, better balanced video in tricky lighting. Frame rates run at 60 or 30 frames per second depending on your setup, giving you flexibility between super smooth or standard recording. On the connectivity side, the built-in 4G LTE support keeps you linked up through the app, so you can check in on your car remotely or manage footage on the go. There's also a 2-inch IPS screen if you like, having quick playback right on the device. All in all, the A510 is a great option if you want reliable dual-channel recording and pro-level performance, without paying a premium price. So it's basically built for people who don't want to waste space on their windshield but still want cutting-edge tech. At first glance, you'll notice how tiny this thing is, but don't be fooled by the size. Under the hood, you're getting 2K HDR video powered by the Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor. Yeah, you'll get the clear and vibrant footage, day or night. And that's just the beginning. You've got HDR night vision, which makes sure details don't disappear when lighting gets tricky. There's also smart voice control, so you can operate it hands-free while focusing on the road. Add in 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quicker file transfers, a GPS logger to keep track of routes, and a solid parking mode to cover your car even when you're away. Plus, the hidden installation design makes it blend right into your car without sticking out. You also get a 32GB micro SD card and mounting accessories. Overall, the VS1 Mini nails that balance of tiny design and big features. Now, if you like the compact convenience of the VS1 Mini, but you're also after a camera that leans more on reliability and safety features, then have a look at the Thinkware Q200. It combines 2K HD recording quality on the front with a 1080p FHD rear option, which gives you clear, dependable footage without stretching your wallet too far. Plus, its 125-degree wide-angle lens makes sure the road ahead is captured with plenty of detail, minimizing blind spots. But what really makes the Q200 stand out are its safety and surveillance features. With parking surveillance, the camera automatically kicks in when the ignition's off. Plus, the motion and impact detection also step in to ensure any incidents don't go unnoticed. Now, pairing the device is also easy, and you can conveniently view files right on the spot without hassle. And if you grab the optional GPS antenna, you can unlock even more. Speed and red light camera alerts, plus embedded GPS data for time, speed, and location on your recordings. Now, just to be clear, this is only about the front version we're talking about. There's also a 5-channel setup available if you want complete coverage, but of course, that will push the price higher. So the Q200 keeps things simple, smart, and safe, all while at just $119 right now at a discounted price. So, that wraps up our video on the 7 best dash cams under $150. Let us know your favorite pick in the comment section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.